There are, and always have been, investment opportunities south of the border. That's south of the US border. Hi, I'm Jemima Codrington, and welcome to Investor Insight on Crew TV. In all the talk about US properties, Canadians may have forgotten about another familiar stomping ground, Mexico and the Caribbean. From holiday condos to single-family units, investors are getting some R&R time, but also some positive revenue streams. However, there are some things to look out for.
Yeah, there's a number of things that Canadians should look for when they're investing outside of Canada in a country like the Bahamas. There's great real estate, lots of wonderful beaches and condos, but what they want to make sure is to make sure that the development is solvent and that what a lot of people are doing is actually buying things that are there. They're not buying pre-construction, anything on paper. They're coming down looking and finding real things that they know they're going to really enjoy. They see what they get. They know what their neighbors are. They're not waiting on a golf course to be built.
Going farther south means Canadians are connected to increasingly rare opportunities. The much sought-after beachfront property is one of them.
Well, you can't sustain life without water, and we have world-class water facilities. It's a joint venture between the Emir of Qatar from the Middle East and the TCI government. So water, no problem. Hospitals, no problem. Managed by a Canadian company for the benefit of those living and working in the country, but also those that may have an unfortunate experience. Policing as well. We have police from the RCMP running the police force in the country. All in all, whether you're looking at the internet highways or the roads, it's all there.